Good morning to all. Today I am going to start the chapter name is surface area and volume of a sphere. Surface area and volume of a sphere. Okay. The volume formula is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area formula is surface area S, that is 4 pi r square. These two formula you have to apply for solid sphere. In case of solid sphere you have to apply this formula. Okay, solid sphere. But in case of hollow sphere, you have to apply the formula. In case of hollow sphere, volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube minus r cube. Clear? In case of hollow sphere. And in case of hollow sphere, surface area, that is outer surface area plus inner surface area. That outer surface area will be 4 pi r square, and inner surface area is 4 pi small r square. You can take 4 pi common, that means r square plus r square. Total surface area means outer plus inner. You have to apply these two formula for hollow sphere. Okay, this is for hollow sphere. Hollow sphere. Let us go to the exercise. Exercise, that is 18.c from the book Innovative Math Books. Exercise 18c. Okay, 18c. The book is Innovative Math Books for class 10 ICC board. Okay. The exercise name is surface area and volume. Exercise 18c, question number 1, just you see. If the diameter of a sphere is 7 cm, find its surface area and volume. Okay. Let me copy the question what is given here. In this question, question number 1, what is given? First you have to write diameter given. Diameter of the sphere given how much? 7 cm. Radius will be how much? That will be half. Radius will be 7 by 2 cm. Yes or no? And you have to find out surface area. Surface area, that is 4 pi r square. That means 4 pi will 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 1 7 cancel here. 1 2 to the 4 cancel. 20 27 ja 154 centimeter square. Okay. The surface area also completed. Let us go to find volume. How to find our volume? Volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi means 22 by 7. Radius how much you got? 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 1 7 cancel here. 2 to the 4 cancel. How much you are getting? 20 27, that is 154 by 3. You have to divide, you have to make mixed fraction or decimal. 154 by 3, how much coming?
51 by 3.
3 5 is 15. See, 3 5 is 15. 3 51. 1 by 3 can write. 1 by 3. Yes or no? 1 by 3 centimeter cube. This is the answer of number 1, second part. 51 1 by 3 centimeter cube. Let us go next number. Question number 2, it is given radius of hemisphere 3.5 centimeter. Means 3.5 means you can write here 7 by 2. 7 by 2 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere given, you have to find out volume. Volume of hemisphere means half of the sphere. That means half of 4 by 3 pi r cube. Yes or no? That means this will cancel. 2 by 3. Pi means what? 22 by 7. R cube. R means the radius is how much? 7 by 2. You have to write 3 times. 7 by 2. 7 by 2. Okay. 1 2 cancel here. 1 7 cancel here. 2 cancel. 11. How much you are getting? 11 into 7 7 is 49 by 3 to just 6. How much is coming? You have to multiply 11. Last answer will be 89.833 centimeter cube. Just again check the calculation. 11 into 49. Okay. Divided by 6 divided by 6, how much you are getting after simplification? 89.33 centimeter cube. The first part completed. See the second part. Second part question, they are find total surface area. Total surface area of a hemisphere formula is 3 pi r square. 3 pi r square. Total surface area means curved surface area is 2 pi r square and plane surface area, that is pi r square. Because the hemisphere it looks like this and this is one circle type. Yes or no? Hemisphere. 3 pi value is 22 by 7. Radius how much you got? Radius is 7 by 2. You have to try 2 times. 7 by 2, 7 by 2. 1 7 cancel, 2 11. How much getting? 3 into 77 by 2. Just you have to multiply 77 into 2 into 3. How much getting? 231 divided by 2. Divided by 2, how much coming? Just to check. 115.5 centimeter square. Okay. This is the total surface area of a hemisphere. Let us go number 3. Question number 3 it is given, just to see. Question number 3 given, the volume of sphere given. Volume of sphere, how much given? That is 4851 meter cube given, okay, not centimeter, meter cube given. Volume of sphere given, and you have to find out radius and surface area. As you know, volume of sphere formula is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4851 meter cube. Now, this 4 by 3 will go that side. This pi means 22 by 7. That means right here 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 4851. Then r cube equal to how much? 4851 into 3 into 7 by 4 into 22. Okay, just you have to simplify very carefully. It will be how much? Just to divide 4851 divided by 11, just to check how much coming. If it will divide by 11 2, and here 11 means coming 441. Okay, that means here you just you have to apply the technique here. 441 means 21 into 21, and here also 27 means 3 into 7 means 21, and 2 4 is 8. I can write here 2 into 2 into 2. Why I am writing like this? It will be more easier to find out r, because it is cube root. R cube equal to this one, therefore r will be cube root of this one, that means 21 by 2. So radius how much you got? 21 by 2 means this will be 10.5 centimeter. Okay. After finding the radius of the sphere, you can easily find surface area. Surface area formula is what? 4 pi r square. Now 4 pi means what? 22 by 7. Radius you got 21 by 2. You have to write 2 times. Just you have to simplify. 22 to 4 cancel. 7 3 21 means 66 into 21. 66 into 21. How much you will get? That is the result. Okay. You have to multiply. That is the result. In this way, number 3 also completed. Let us go number 4. Just see. See the question number 4. Surface area of sphere given 452 4 by 7 centimeter cube. You have to find out radius of the sphere as well as volume of the sphere. 4 pi r square surface area of sphere formula is what? 4 pi r square is equal to 452 4 by 7 means if you will multiply 452 into 7 you will get 3164 plus 4, that means 3168 by 7. You are getting this one, and pi value is how much? 22 by 7 equal to into r square equal to 3168 by 7. After that you will find out r square. R square is equal to 3168 by 7. This 7 will go off and 22 into 4. Yes or no? 7 cancel. Yes or no? Now just to divide 3164 3168 3168 divided by 22, just to check how much you are getting. If you divide 22, it will be 144. So finally you're getting 144 by 4. Again it will go, yes or no? How much it will be? Therefore r square you are getting 4 3 are 12, 2 let 4 6 are 24. So this implies r equal to how much? So 36 root over 36 root over is how much? 6. Radius you are getting how much? Therefore radius of the sphere is equal to 6 centimeter. Next you have to find out volume. Volume formula is what? 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means 4 by 3 pi means what? 22 by 7 into r cube. R means 6 whole cube. Yes or no? It will be how much? That means this is coming 88, 36 you have to write, and 22 divided by 3 into, sorry, 20 already I multiplied. Okay? This 22 already multiplied. 22 4 is 80 already written here. Okay. And here 3 into 7. 1 3 will be cancelled here. How much getting? That means 88 into 36 to the 72 by 7. Just you have to multiply and here is to divide. 88 into 72. How much you getting? 633. Just you have to multiply. 633. 6 divided by 7. Just to divide, how much you getting? Divided by 7. The answer coming 900, mixed fraction will come, or decimal 905.14 centimeter cube. In this way 4 questions also completed. Thank you for today class. Next day I will do more sums.